Hi everybody, my name is Ananya and today I'm going to be coding a game on Scratch, which it will tell you. It was like a multiplication game and it's really fun. It helps you revise your math facts and you can choose your difficulty of how much you want to do it. I'm just going to be doing it numbers like 1 to 10, multiplied by numbers 1 to 10. So now I'm going to set our background to school, or you can choose this blue sky here when you pop up, or the chalkboard. And just to tell you really quickly, you can even participate. Say if you don't really have the app, which the app is free too if you want to get it, you can use the web actually, and I can send the link for that. And now related to this, you can kind of scroll down a little. This is a hall, like that's how also works. There's this playing field, school I like, so I'm going to choose school like I said. And then you want to choose sprite at this bottom part. I'm going to go to people, because it shows us all the people we can choose. There's Abby, Avery, Danny. Those are the ones I prefer. And now I choose Danny. And I want Danny B, the one that's good. So now I'm going to shrink her. Yeah, shrink her. So to select her, you just go to the little arrow button, and she's off my screen, so I can move her. There. Okay, I'm going to place her there. And I'm just going to change her color up a bit, because I want to change it. Actually, what I'm going to pick is, maybe I'll pick, I'm going to pick these characters, because they're easier to work with. I'm going to choose character. I see it's this one. Oh, she also looks good. So I'm going to choose this one. I can make a portion of their hair that color. Alright, so I'm going to go to this little select button. I'm actually going to shrink her a little. And I should be sitting right over here. But I want to change the color of her. So I like to do this a little. I'm going to choose her top color to this little pink. And I'm going to change her top like that. So I just picked this little, so when you're trying to change the color, do not use this little arrow button, because if you do that, then it like shows it like the same color shade, and it doesn't really look that pretty. So go to this little, it looks like a paint spell, and then you can just select it area. It used to work, but I wonder why it's not working. Let me go to a different character. And I go back to her. I wonder why it's not working. Anyways, I'll just change it to the color that I feel like. Normally it works, guys, but in my case right now it's not working. But that's okay. And then, let me just choose Danny. Sorry, guys. I just have little preferences. I don't know, there's tons of characters maybe. And then there's this one. That's by mistake I clicked on it, but that's okay. I'm gonna make her a little smaller, so I chose her. Or maybe, let me keep on scrolling. Okay, I like her actually. And I'll shrink her again. Like I said, ooh, I like her little skirt. Anyways, I'm gonna tap on her skirt. I'm gonna choose little color. Her top may be really nice color. So I'm gonna do the same with her. Instead, I'm gonna make them blue. That's alright. So, oops. So, doesn't she look pretty? Anyways, so that's my person. Really quickly, yeah, I can't change her weight, but this is fine. I'm just gonna make her a little bigger. She's too small. Okay, that will work. Now, I'm going to make an event when this is clicked. So, I'll also be explaining a little bit why we do it as we do this coding project. Now, so when this is clicked, I'm going to kind of drag some blocks in there. I'm going to say, look, she's going to say, help me revise my math facts. Check that. Now, I'm going to go to variables. I'm going to set some variables. Maybe before I do that, I'm going to go to sensing. I'm going to ask what is the answer. And then really quickly, I'm sorry guys, I'm just doing lots of random things. So you're going to go to sensing, you're going to ask what's the answer, like right over here. So over here, block. And then really quickly, sorry, I'm going to say multiply the numbers you see at the top. There. That's the answer. So now we have to set a few variables. So we're going to make a variable, name, and answer. So we're going to set 3 ones, and you see this little checkbox right over here. You want to uncheck it because we don't want to show it. Say number. You want to make sure that's checked, and you're going to say second number. Just make sure you have no spaces because variables I won't allow you to. Now, we're going to set them. So the second number is going to be, we're going to make the computer pick a random number 1 to 10. And you can also choose what you want. And we're going to set another variable named number. And we are going to set that to operators, another random number. So now we're going to go to variables again, and we're going to set answer. So we're going to set answer to. So let me quickly tell you how will we solve this. So like how would we say it? So basically we would say it, we want to set the answer to. So the answer was basically, in this we're doing multiplication. So our answer would be the second number multiplied by the number, because those are our two numbers we're gonna multiply together, right? So we're gonna set our answer to this little star over here, at the top up there, and we're gonna go to variables. You see that where it says number right over here. You're gonna bring that into one of the boxes, and then say 1 second number, like that. We're gonna multiply them. You can even click that and you can see it. Not right now, but yeah. Wonder why it's not working. Anyways, if it's not working, it'll probably work on your guys' end because sometimes mine kind of doesn't work sometimes. Anyways, like I said, we're just gonna go to the little control button and we're gonna put this in a forever loop. Just these ones. Alright, so now we're gonna make an if-else condition. Like here. So we're gonna go to operators again, and you see this one that says a little blank, and that's equal to, and then you say 50, you're gonna erase that. So if our answer is equal to variables, the answer that we set as a variable, because then we want to match our answer is correct to the real answer. So we're going to use the real answer that we set because we set answer, and then we want to see if it's equal to the other answer that we chose. So then we're going to say, great job. Great job for 2 seconds. Now we're going to say else. So else just means that if that condition is not satisfied, like so that you don't have to write another code of that, we're going to say try again. Try solving the next one. You can do it. And you can just even do a smiley face. So just do Windows and period, and it gets you to this little smiley face thing. Oops. And I can just pick a little smiley face. Okay, let's play it. Oh, sorry guys. So what you guys can do is, so the computer in this one, it doesn't go through the code really fastly. It goes from one condition to see the numbers they ask you, and then it sets it. So sometimes order does matter. We're going to set it at the first. And you want to make sure it's inside of it, because if you put it outside, it's only going to set it once. But we don't want to keep on setting it for the whole thing. So it's going to ask and they keep on changing. So 80, and they keep on changing. So that's how the game works. I'm gonna keep on playing, looks like. So, or something you can do is you can say, it just the instructions, it keeps on repeating, but sometimes that gets annoying too. I wonder what happened. Okay, that happened. Probably made just a mistake. Yeah. So then you can test it, and then if you want it to be a little more harder, you can just go to your code, and then you can pick a random number and make that random number like harder, so that the computer has different options of picking this. If you set, that's what we said, random number, or else we just keep it to one number, but then it's going to be boring, so then we know the answer all the time. Or actually when you do this, I'm just gonna, so when you say else, you just want to say this, you want to say Control A on your keyboard, you're going to say Control C to copy, and you do backspace on your computer. And then you can go to operators, and then you say, so you scroll down, you say join, as shown here, join this one, and then you can say, and then you can actually say variables. Well, I'll just add a space there. Oops, sorry guys. You can do Control Z if you make a like typing. For typing if you make a mistake, not if you did the wrong code. We're going to actually display answer for 2 seconds. Let's see how that works. I'm going to get this wrong on purpose. Oh, it works. I like that. So it tells you your answer. Let me try this. So I'm gonna like go to operators again. I'm gonna say join again. This is, you guys don't have to do it. Let's see how that works. I hope it works. Anyways, let's check. So let's say if I said 30. And you can even drag the character. Okay. I really like that feature. Anyways, let's go to File, save to your computer. I'm gonna say multiplication facts. I'm gonna replace it. It won't ask YouTube because I already have one of these going on my thing, but this is like way more cooler than the other one I coded. My other one didn't really have this, and I feel like this part is really cool. So I hope you enjoy this video of me coding it. I'm gonna set the girl back here. And maybe I'm just going, yeah, I'm gonna set the curl back here. And I hope you enjoyed this video of me kind of explaining my code, how it works, and yeah. So if you guys don't have it, I think I already said this in the beginning, but if you guys don't have the app, it's free and you can download that easily. Just go to your app store and get it, and then search Scratch 3.20.1. So, and some of them are not free, so then just pick the one that's free. So it's free. And you can call this game, or else you can go to the website, and I'll send the link in the description, so then you can click them and you can follow this code. So bye bye everybody. Bye. Have a fun time coding this game and playing with it. Please share this code that you made and this video so other people can know how to code this game. Bye bye.